Hello and welcome back to my channel. I have a bullet journal plan with me. I'm going to be using this Tiana kit. It's one of my princess kits. Here is the 4 boxes. Little things. Check boxes, deco, bottom washi. And then we have the date covers, half boxes, some headers, weekend banner, bottom washi and icons. So I'm actually planning this ahead of the week, way ahead of the week, because I'm busy and I know that I won't be able to get it done. So I can show you last week's spread, this week's spread, but there's actually nothing in it because I haven't filled it in yet. So I'm going to do, go ahead and get going. So here we go. Here's my final spread. I have space for my meals and my to-do list, and I decided to actually put a box around my ball box here. I haven't been doing that before because I couldn't work out how to fit it in, but I think if I squash those lines up, and it looks a bit nicer for having a box, it matches the others. Space down here for like a countdown, but I think what I'm going to write in here is half term, because it's half term this week. Monday, Tuesday, I have some big stickers that I cut out to save me having to draw them, and then I have Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. I use the bigger weekend banner down here as well. This is what comes with the newer style bullet journal kits. It's got loads of deco and bits and pieces left, so I have some checklists, deco, half box checklist, some icons, lots of little things, some half boxes, checklist, flags. I've got some more half boxes, some icons, quarter boxes, some headers and another quarter box, and I've got quarter boxes and appointment labels. So I've got lots to use throughout the week. I really love the combination of these colours. I think it kind of sums up the film really well. It's one of my favourite more recent Disney movies. So I'm really looking forward to using this spread. So I have just one new release for you this week. This is my Leela kit. My daughter is called Leela and it is her birthday this week, and I have designed this kit based on everything that she currently loves. So she loves rainbows, she loves unicorns, she loves fairies, she loves pink, purple, stars, anything glittery. You know, she's a very girly little girl, and this kit's for her. So here are the 4 boxes. Little things, my deco, icons and some more boxes. We've got bottom, washi, weekend banner, some date covers and some little strips of the headers, check boxes, half boxes and your headers and deco. So that is the full-sized Erin Condren kit. You can pick each sheet up individually as well in the shop. It also comes in a mini / bullet journal kit. So this is a kit I'm going to be using this week to help celebrate her birthday. So here are the full boxes, and you get some quarter boxes as well. We've got little things, date covers, icons, half boxes, some washi strips, weekend banner, bottom washi, check boxes, deco and the other bottom washi bits. So that's the mini / bullet journal kit, and it also comes as a Hobo Weeks kit. There's the first page and the second page and the third page. So there we are. That will be released on Saturday. Thank you very much for watching. If you haven't already, hit the like and subscribe button, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!